Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to get your Libara eSIM number in the UK. So let's get started. First, you can get a Libara eSIM through the My Libara app or the Libara website. If you're a new customer, simply choose the eSIM option when buying your SIM online or from a Libara partner. If you're an existing customer, log in to your My Libara account, go to Settings or SIM Swap and select Switch to eSIM. Your number and plan details will stay the same. Everything updates instantly. Just make sure your phone supports eSIM technology before switching. And that's it. That's how to get your Libara eSIM number in the UK. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.